This is a review of the Eparé battery-operated salt or pepper mill and grinder. A large-size pepper grinder. And on the top here you'll see the push button to activate it. It operates on batteries, and if you turn it here you'll see two arrows and another arrow. This is locked. If you rotate it counterclockwise and remove the top, you'll see here a little plastic shield, and if you lift this up, it's a location here for 4 AA batteries. That's how it's powered. In addition, you can take this and pull it up. The motor assembly comes off. You can see the grinding shaft, and the pepper or salt would go into here. It goes down through here and out the bottom, and you can pop off this cover, and here you can see the grinding teeth itself on the bottom, and the grinding teeth on the bottom are adjustable. If you loosen this up, you can see the gap getting bigger and bigger. The bigger the gap, the bigger the grind, and the smaller the gap, the smaller the grind. So you get to adjust it to fit your preference. I want to point out that in the box is a set of instructions on how to disassemble the grinder and how to make adjustments. See, we've filled the grinder with whole pepper. If you're a klutz like me, you should let your wife do it. I wound up dumping about half of it on the table, so she finished the job for me. And then we put in 4 batteries. We use rechargeable in-loop batteries. They work well on a lot of different things, and that way you can always replace them and recharge them. And we're ready to go. Before I start though, I do want to point out that on the bottom here, this piece here comes off. And when it does, you can see here on the bottom, there's an LED. And the LED is to allow you to see what pepper or salt is falling onto your food. That's a good idea, because a lot of places at the dinner table, you might not be able to see what's happening, and this gives you a good light to tell you what's going on, so you can see how much spices you're adding to your food. Test. I'm going to grind some pepper onto this white plate so you get a good contrast. I think I've got it set on a light or a medium grind. We'll soon see. And there you can see what happens. And that's about what it came out. It's about a light to a medium grind. And don't forget that it is adjustable. I'll turn this counterclockwise and open it up quite a bit, which should give me a coarser grind. Let's see what goes on now. And you can see the bigger chunks of pepper coming out. You can also see the LED light coming out the bottom. So the grinder is working very well. It's very easy to use, and it's grinding quite quickly. I mean, it wouldn't take long to get the right amount of pepper on your food. I like this product quite a bit. It's nice and stylish. It's got a beautiful clear container that you can see when you're low on salt or spices or pepper. It's got a large, nice push button. It's powerful. It's reasonably quiet. I like the fact that it has the LED in it to let you see how you're spicing up your foods, and it grinds quite easily. If it ever does get jammed, just come down to the bottom like I did and open it up more and more to a larger grind, and try to remove any pieces that you see that may be jamming it. It has a very tough ceramic motor, and it grinds the pepper pretty easily. This review was done by JJ CEO. I'd like to tell you that I've received a sample for test and evaluation, and I promise that if I gave a review, it would be fair and honest. I rate this product at 5 stars.